Hey, I'm Sage. Slay the holidays in glamorous style with this party look. Okay, so now that I've got my foundation and concealer on, I'm gonna use the Mary Kay Translucent Loose Powder. It's a favorite product of mine because it feels weightless and blends perfectly with my skin tone. Okay, so I have the limited edition Mary Kay Foil Eyeshadow Duo in Copper and Pyrite. And what I'm going to do is take the copper and put it all over my eyelid, in a corner, and under my lower lash line. Then to add depth to my crease, I'm going to use Mary Kay Chromafusion eyeshadow in Espresso. A bright red lip never hurt anyone. I'm loving Mary Kay lip liner in red with Mary Kay Unlimited Lip Gloss in Iconic Red. They make my lips stand out. Ta-da! Now we're ready to deck the halls. Thanks so much for watching. If you want more details on how to do this look yourself, click right here, and be sure to subscribe for more from Mary Kay. Happy holidays!